The next paragraph is social networks also influence the adoption of new technologies. The writer says that social networks means connections or relationship of the people, also influence the adoption. Adoption means to take in use of new technologies. Social connections of the people also influence to take in use of new technologies. If the members of a community already have social connections to one another, then they are more likely to benefit from technological connections. The writer says that if the members of a community already have social connections, if the members of a community already have social dealings or social behavior to one another, then they are more likely, means it is possible that they will get benefit from technological connections. Every culture has its own distinctive practices for creating and maintaining social networks. Every society has its own distinctive, means particular or different practices or methods for creating and maintaining social networks. And a society will be healthier, a society will be more healthy in political and economic terms when these practices of social behavior are functioning well. If the people are dealing or people are behaving well in a society, their behavior is well in a society, that society will be healthy in political and economic terms also. For example, it has long been a mystery why the people of Sarajevo have maintained their tolerant, pluralistic culture as terrible wars rage around them. The writer gives an example. It has long been a mystery. It has been a mystery why the people of Sarajevo is a name of a place. The writer says that it has been a mystery why the people of Sarajevo have maintained their tolerant means full of tolerance, pluralistic means unity in diversity culture. The writer says that there is a mystery why the people of Sarajevo have maintained their tolerant and unity in diversity culture as terrible wars rage around them. As terrible wars surround them, how they maintain their tolerant and unity in diversity culture. A visit to the city, however, makes one reason entirely obvious. If anyone visits to the city, his reason of finding this mystery becomes entirely, means completely obvious, means clear. If anyone visits to the city, his reason of visiting there to find out the mystery of their tolerant behavior and unity in diversity culture, his reason becomes entirely, means completely clear. Sarajevo is organized around a pedestrian mall. Pedestrian means where people can walk. Sarajevo is organized around a pedestrian mall. There is a pedestrian mall in Sarajevo about 2 kilometers long, that is 2 kilometers long, and the people entertain themselves by walking the length of this mall. People in Sarajevo entertain themselves by walking the length of this mall, meeting their acquaintances. They meet to their familiar persons there and stopping for coffee, and they stop for coffee there. Social connections are thus continually renewed when people meet again and again, and when they entertain themselves, and in this way, their social connections are continually renewed, and people are led naturally to introduce their friends to one another. When they meet again and again, they are led naturally to introduce their friends to one another. In this way, walking on the pedestrian mall, they maintain their social behavior. To take another example, Hungary remained a relatively healthy society during a Soviet occupation, largely because of its well developed social connections. Hungary remained a relatively healthy society. Hungary, the name of a country, remained a relatively healthy society during the Soviet occupation, largely because of its well developed social networks. Hungary remained healthy because of its well developed social connections. Based on a tradition of close, lifelong relationships among the members of each gymnasium class. Their social networks their social networks were based on the tradition of close lifelong relationships. They used to maintain lifelong relationships among the members of each gymnasium class. People used to work in gym and they used to make lifelong relationships there. The social networks of Silicon Valley, by contrast, depend on workplace connections. The social networks of Silicon Valley, by contrast, if we contrast the social networks or connections of Silicon Valley depended on workplace connections. People frequently move to new jobs. There, people frequently move to new jobs, but they assiduously maintain they did their hard work to maintain their relationship with the previous co-workers. They worked very hard to maintain their relationship with the previous co-workers. Even when those co-workers get new jobs themselves, so that they will have people to call the next time they are looking for work. And even though their co-workers get new jobs themselves, so that they will have people, so that they can be called um, the next time when they are looking for the job. In this way, different societies depend on different situations for their social connections. The writer has given the example of Sarajevo, Hungary, and of Silicon Valley. In Sarajevo, people maintained their social connections by walking on the pedestrian mall where they used to meet together. And in Hungary, the social relationships were made uh, in gymnasium class. And in Silicon Valley, people maintained their social relationships uh, on the workplace connections.